I'm Mike Montanari. I love fast cars. My nickname is Monty, and this is my home garage, aka Fast Monty's Garage. This is not a professional shop, but I can do what they do. Drill, cut, bend, grind, weld, and even paint. The fun part is, most of the time, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing it for the first time. So you and I can learn from my mistakes. But not to worry, I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express last night, so we're good. Just kidding. Now, when I was growing up, my passion has always been to modify things, make them faster, make them better. And that, in the world of cars, for old school cars, is called hot rodding. For modern cars, it's called tuning. I've had an E46 M3 before. I know the feeling. And that's what this channel is all about. Currently, it's to keep this monster on the road. Did an engine rebuild, a Tremec transmission upgrade. But when we're not working on the car, we're going to be enjoying it. We're going to be going to car shows, driving events, track time, autocross. And it doesn't have to be this car. If I get my hands on a Lamborghini or a GT3, I'm going to do that too. So subscribe if you haven't. Kick back, relax, share your comments on all the videos so we can all learn together, and you'll understand my motto. Build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.